My name is Hank Johnson of Lehost Hair and Wigs, and what an absolute pleasure to present to you our hair care product line. When we formulated our hair care products, we were very strategic to create a multi-purpose solution for our customers. So for women that want to wear their own natural hair, or women that love those protective styles such as braids, twists, or even wigs, we created a hair care product that is the perfect fit for those women. Let's start with our shampoo and our conditioner, moisturizer retention. It's going to clean your hair and give you a healthy, clean scalp, because clean scalp creates clean and healthy hair. Also, this is our unlock. It is our hair detangler. It's super light. It's not greasy. It leaves the hair hydrated and able to style just as you need to. This is another number one pick out of our catalog. It is called Protect and Shine. It does just what it says. It protects your hair and it causes your hair to shine instantly. It protects your hair from the heat, from your flat iron as well as your dryer. This is our healthy edge control. It smooths those edges. It creates a nice sleek look for those ladies that loves ponytails. This here is one of our number one sellers as well. We created it for human as well as for synthetic. This is going to give you beautiful, healthy curls, and it's going to cause your hair not to snag in that comb. Now let's talk about our beauty solution for synthetic wigs. This is amazing because it's going to help your wigs to last a lot longer. It's going to cut down the frizz, and these ladies are called wig stoppers. It does just what it says. It's going to stop that wig from moving so you can show up at your event having the utmost confidence and feeling beautiful and amazing. Again, I'm Hank Johnson of Lehost Hair and Wigs.